Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. In today's video, I'm gonna be taking Snowy out on a walk, which is gonna be super interesting because you don't see birds out on a walk with their owners on a daily basis, etc. So that's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna see how Snowy does, and basically I'm gonna just be vlogging, see what happens today. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, time to take Snowy out on a walk. Where's Snowy? Hi Snowy! Oh hell no! Alright, here is the harness. It's the aviator harness. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna put it on Snowy and then we're gonna go on a walk. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, I got the harness on Snowy. Now let's go out for a walk. Alright guys, so I got Snowy. We're actually gonna go somewhere because there's a lot of cats where I'm at. So let's go. Alright, so we came to a park and it's just an open area. I feel like Snowy likes it. There's like no cats or whatever. But yeah, let's go ahead and walk Snowy. Snowy likes going behind my head. I don't know why, but this is why I look. Ow! Oh my goodness. Snowy just likes biting my ear, which is not cool. But, oh yeah, Snowy likes biting my chin too, and my hat. Oh well, it's crazy, huh? I think Snowy likes it when I take them out.
A few moments later.
Alright, and we just got back. Let me open the door and put Snowy inside. Alright, we're back. And I'm gonna put Snowy back in its cage with Greenie and Blue and the others. So yeah. So, still driving the Corolla, you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear my exhaust. Oh snap. Let's go. So right now I'm gonna just go run a few errands and then I will be right back, you guys.
2 hours later.
So right now we're fixing my buddy's car. Got into a little car accident. Got demolished right here. Got crushed. All this left side, driver's side, it got destroyed. Look at the headlights. It's like bam. So yeah, we got a new headlight for that. It's in that box right there. We got a new rim. We're gonna put the wheel because this one got messed up right there. We're gonna fill it up with oil and hopefully everything turns out good and we're gonna get this baby running.
You don't have to turn on the vehicle.
Yeah, they work. Try the blinkers. Yeah. Alright, try high beam. Your high beams don't work?
You haven't even turned them on because that one isn't turning on.
So this is how that new one looks. That's still the old one over there. Oh well. It looks alright. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for supporting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Snowy on an adventure, on a walk, and yeah, so until next time guys, peace.